Good morning, students. This is grade 3rd worksheet of computer. Okay, so 3rd grade computer worksheet which has been given to you. Okay, so I hope so everyone is having this worksheet with them. So let's start. Today we are going to solve this worksheet. So you have to write your name here. Okay, don't forget to write your name here, and then we will start. So we will start with the fill in the blanks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, so the first question in the fill in the blanks, the first is computer is a blank machine. So what is a computer? Yes, as we have shown in the video and I have explained you what is exactly computer. So write down in this blank, computer is a multi-purpose machine. Computer is a multi-purpose machine. Okay, so we will write down the next one now. And what is the next one? Yes, so a blank consists of letters, numbers and signs. So what is that? A keyboard. Okay, a keyboard consists of letters, numbers and signs. Now CRT stands for, so CRT is a type of monitor which I have taught you in the video. So what does CRT stands for? So CRT stands for cathode ray tube. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Okay, now next fill in the blank. Blank is used to display the output. Where do we find the output? Where do we get the output? Yes, on monitor. Okay, so monitor is used to display the output. Now fifth fill in the blank. Blank controls all units of computer. So what is the answer? Yes, it is very easy for you. CPU. CPU control all units of computer. Okay, now CPU stands for, yes, it is taught to you in the earlier classes. Yes, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Okay, next is the mouse was invented by whom? Whom invented the mouse? Yes, the answer is Douglas. D-O-U-G-L-A-S. Douglas Engelbart. E-N-G-E-L-B-A-R-T. Douglas Engelbart. Okay, now 8th fill in the blank. A computer works on the basis of blank cycle. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, IPO. IPO cycle means input process output cycle. Okay, now blank is a pointing device. Yes, very easy for you. What is the answer? The mouse is a pointing device. Now LCD stands for what? Yes, liquid crystal display. liquid crystal display. Okay, so liquid crystal display. Chalo, now we will solve next question. Write any 4 differences between LCD monitor and CRT monitor. Okay, so as I have shown you in the earlier video, do you know the difference between that? Do you remember? Okay, so let's start. LCD monitor and CRT monitor. We will write down the number here first. Okay, so what is the first one? LCD stands for, so write down, LCD stands for, we all know because in the fill in the blanks we have written LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Liquid CRYSTAL crystal display, liquid crystal display. Okay, and CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. Now the second point we are going to write is this LCD monitor is, it is light in weight. It is light in weight means इसका मतलब उसका वजन क्या होता है, कम होता है, वो उठाने में आसान होता है. So what we will write here in CRT monitor? It is big and heavy. वजन होता है और साइज में बड़ा भी होता है. ओके, चलो, नाउ वी विल राइट द थर्ड वन. सी, आप देख रहे हो हाउ आई हैव रिटन दिस. मैंने एक पॉइंट लिखने के बाद एक लाइंस जो है वो स्किप की है. वाई? बिकॉज वी शुड एबल टू डिफ्रेंशिएट. दिखने में अच्छा दिखना चाहिए और मिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए, और नंबर्स भी हमें डालने हैं. तो यू हैव टू फॉलो द सेम थिंग. ओके, चलो, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इट मीन्स हु? LCD. इट कंज्यूम्स मतलब यूज करता है. तो इट कंज्यूम्स लेस पावर. It consumes less power. Now it means CRT. It consumes what? Yes, more power. Okay, it consumes less power, it consumes more power. And is there any point left now? Yes. So is there any point left? Are you remembering anything? If you are remembering anything, you can add to this. Okay, आप अपने दिमाग से सोचकर लिख सकते हो इसमें. Okay, ये पूरी स्पेस, किसी का हैंड राइटिंग छोटा होता है, बड़ा होता है, तो मैंने ये सारी स्पेस आपको प्रोवाइड की है सो दैट यू कैन राइट इन नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल टर्न द वर्कशीट. ओके, हम बैक साइड सॉल्व करते हैं इस वर्कशीट की. एवरीवन इज एबल टू सी नाउ? यस, चलो. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 the first is microphone. Okay, what is this picture? माइक्रोफोन. सो जो पिक्चर है उसका नाम हमें यहाँ पे लिख देना है. राइट डाउन MICROPHONE, microphone. Okay, microphone. Now what we will write about a microphone? Yes, as we have seen the video, we know the use of microphone. So it is used to record. It is used to record sound into the computer. Okay. Yes. Now the next is pen drive. What is this? This is a pen drive. Okay. So what will we write about the pen drive? ये पेन ड्राइव हम सब जानते हैं. ये पेन ड्राइव अब नॉर्मल हो गई है, सब लोग यूज़ करते हैं. सो लेट्स राइट अबाउट द पेन ड्राइव नाउ. सो पेन ड्राइव it means what? Pen drive. Okay, so it is used to store files. Files means the work which we do on computer, we store them and it becomes files. So files, comma, pictures, comma, videos, okay, and many more, okay, from computer. Okay, so now next is, what is this picture of? Yes, this picture is of a headphone. Chalo, so let's write about a headphone now. Headphone. Headphone. So what is a headphone? It is used for listening it is used for listening music from computer. Okay, it is used to listen music from computer. Now the next picture here is a scanner. So let's write about a scanner now. Chalo, scanner. Now what is a scanner all about? So it is used to copy pictures or text means कोई भी तरीके का टेक्स्ट हो, पेपर हो, ओके, उसे हम स्कैनर में स्कैन करके डायरेक्टली कंप्यूटर में ले सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ यूज्ड टू कॉपी पिक्चर्स और टेक्स्ट इनटू कंप्यूटर. ओके, नाउ हियर द लास्ट इज printer. Okay, so printer, can you see this printer? Chalo, let's write about a printer now. So what is a printer? Printer, it prints information, it prints information and pictures. Why it is said information? बिकॉज जो टेक्स्ट हम टाइप करते हैं या जो फाइल हम बनाते हैं वो तो हम इस प्रिंटर में प्रिंट कर ही सकते हैं, बट वी कैन डायरेक्टली टेक अ प्रिंट फ्रॉम गूगल और फ्रॉम इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. इंटरनेट से अगर हमें कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगी या कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें अच्छी लगी, वो हमें हार्ड कॉपी में चाहिए हो, तो हम डायरेक्ट उससे प्रिंट निकाल सकते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ सेड information. Okay, so it prints information and pictures on paper from computer. Okay, done everyone? Yes, ये सारा हमारा लिख के हो चुका है. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So now एक last 2 questions बाकी है that we will do and our worksheet is done. So the first question is name the characteristics of a video. So what are characteristics? मैंने वीडियो में आपको समझाया है. So now it's time to write the answer of this question. So let's start. Okay. आपको याद आ रहा है कोई characteristics? Do you remember any characteristics I have taught you? Yes. चलो, so let's start writing them. First characteristic is, write down, characteristics of computer are speed, accuracy. Speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, storage, and last is, yes, no feelings. Okay, so this answer is done. Now the next question and the last question, very easy for you. Write any 5 uses of computer. So 5 uses हमें लिखने हैं, आप उससे ज़्यादा भी लिख सकते हो. So come on, start writing. Computer is used to first solve sums. Yes, solve sums, send emails. Yes, then for online shopping. Yes, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं हम उस पर. देन ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स. मैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लिखूँगी. ओके, आपको 5 लिखना है तो आप 5 लिखो. यू वांट टू राइट मोर देन 5, सो आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, एंड व्हाट विल बी नेक्स्ट? यू कैन ऑल्सो डू योर होमवर्क, okay, with the help of a computer. So do homework, then listen music, प्ले गेम्स, देखो कितने सारे हैं और बहुत है। ओके, सो आप अपने मन से लिखना चाहो तो भी लिख सकते हैं। ओके, इन दिस वे योर वर्कशीट इज़ कंप्लीट। ओके, या आपकी वर्कशीट जो है ये कंप्लीट हो चुकी है। नाउ इसमें से आपको आपकी नोटबुक में क्या लिखना है? सो यू विल राइट दिस डिफरेंसेस फ्रॉम दिस वर्कशीट इनटू योर फेयर नोटबुक ऑफ कंप्यूटर। और आप क्या लिखोगे? सी, you are going to write these 2 questions and then this uses of the following parts of a computer. Okay, this question and this question you are going to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.